What's the thing with Ukrainian farmers and Russian tanks? It seems that the Russian army is not embarrassed enough by Ukrainian anti-tank weapons, but they are being trolled by farmers which are towing Russian armor. Yet another video of a Ukrainian farmer using their tractor to tow away Russian tanks appeared on social media again last week. In the 8-second clip, a small Ukrainian tractor can be seen in the distance pulling a BTR across a field. The area appeared quiet, with no signs of ongoing warfare, suggesting that the tank may have been abandoned in the region following the conflict with Ukraine. Farmers continue to harvest Russian machinery, a Ukrainian Telegram channel wrote. This year was nice. Rob Lee, a senior fellow at the Foreign Policy Research Institute, shared a series of videos over the last 3 months showing other Ukrainian farmers pulling tanks with tractors. A video from March 6 showed a large Ukrainian tractor pulling a captured Montana LB tank. Another video from March showed several examples of Ukrainian farmers pulling Russian tanks, not just along country roads, but on busy streets in Ukraine with civilians also driving past. In mid-March, Ukrainian farmers were seen on camera pulling 2 captured Russian Montana LB tanks, one of which appeared to be destroyed in a missile strike. There are dozens of examples of farmers capturing Russian tanks throughout the country over the last 3 months. The videos don't mean that Ukrainian farmers are actively getting involved in the conflict, but instead reflect the fact that Russian forces have lost a substantial number of tanks and armored vehicles in recent months. In May, a senior U.S. defense official estimated that Russia had lost almost 1,000 tanks in the conflict, with many having such estimates higher. Many of the tanks are understood to have been destroyed by Ukrainian missiles, while others were abandoned in central Ukraine before Russian troops were redeployed to eastern Ukraine. The unnamed U.S. official told reporters that Russia had lost at least 50 helicopters, dozens of fighter-bomber aircraft, and more than 350 artillery pieces, although those numbers are almost certainly much higher as the conflict approaches its 4th month. The Russian military's tank shortage also got so bad recently that the Kremlin ordered old, Soviet-era T-62 tanks to be pulled from storage, a solution that leaves Russian soldiers vulnerable to missile strikes from modern NATO-supplied missile systems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.